Hi guys, everyone, welcome to Excel God. Please, those who are watching, please smash that subscribe button. And today, this is our first video. I'll be teaching you some extremely rudimentary stuffs on Excel. Suppose your boss asks you to fill this number of series. You might be familiar with these series, right? So the traditional way is this is the most primitive way of filling the number series, which perhaps we are not gonna perform, and I'm gonna teach you how you can fill the number of series like a boss. Let's say your boss has asked you to fill it till maybe 1000. So you simply just can't do this till and wait till 1000, right? You have to turn on your Excel God mode. So here you just click one, go on editing, series, and this is the start value, stop value. So let's say I just want to stop at 1050 and click on the columns. If you want rows, you can click on the rows. I want column, that's why. And boom, look at these, still 1050. That's how you can fill the number of series like a boss.
एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए।